In a pan on low medium flame, add in a tablespoon of oil, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 sprig curry leaves. Fry for a minute. Add in half tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Fry for a minute. 1 finely chopped onion, a teaspoon of salt. Fry till onions are light brown. Now add in half a tablespoon of red chili powder, 1/8 tablespoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/8 tablespoon cumin powder, 1/4 tablespoon chicken masala. Fry this for about a minute. Then add in a puree of 1 tomato. Mix in well. Cook till tomatoes are soft. Now add in half kg of curry cut chicken. Add in salt as per taste. Combine well. Add in a little bit of water, about half a cup. Cover and cook on low medium flame for about 20 minutes while stirring in intervals. Now it is completely cooked. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves and it is ready to be served. This is best had with any Indian breads or even ghee rice or rice as a side. So hope you enjoyed this video. Try this recipe and give your comments in the section down below. Thanks for watching.